Imagine waking up tomorrow with $10 million in your bank account. Just like that. Boom, 10 million. Now before you think about what you'd buy, hold on, because what I'm about to show you in the next 60 seconds will completely change how you see money forever. See, there's this one decision that 70% of lottery winners make in the first week that guarantees they'll be broke within 5 years. And I'll reveal exactly what that decision is. But first, you need to understand something that billionaires know that broke people don't. My name is Cashford, and stick with me here, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact system billionaires use to rebuild wealth from zero and why it works every single time. So here's what's crazy. In 2002, a guy named Jack Whittaker won $315 million, one of the biggest jackpots ever. And here's the kicker, he was already a millionaire contractor. He knew business. He wasn't some broke kid who'd never seen money. 5 years later, completely wiped out. Now keep that in mind, because I'm going to come back to Jack in a minute and show you the exact moment he made the fatal mistake. But first, flip this around. 2008. Elon Musk is borrowing money from friends to pay rent. Tesla is weeks from bankruptcy. SpaceX has failed 3 times in a row. He's essentially broke. Today, one of the richest people alive. So here's the million-dollar question, actually the $10 million question. How does someone with hundreds of millions go broke while someone with nothing rebuilds an empire? And the answer is going to sound too simple, but stay with me because once you see the math behind this, it'll blow your mind. Ready? Lottery winners receive money. Billionaires create systems. Now I know what you're thinking. That's it? That's the big secret? But hold on, because here's where it gets interesting. Let me show you exactly what I mean with actual numbers that'll make this click. Say you win $10 million tomorrow. After taxes, you take home about $6 million. Now watch what happens next, and this is based on actual data from lottery winners' studies. Month 1, you buy a $2 million house. You're at $4 million now. Month 2, luxury cars for you and your family. $300,000, down to $3.7 million. Month 3, that dream vacation you've been planning. $50,000. And helping out family and friends, because how can you say no? $500,000. Now you're at about $3 million. But here's what nobody tells you about, and this is the trap that catches everyone. I'm about to show you the hidden costs that drain accounts dry, and when you see this number, you'll understand why lottery winners panic. Property taxes on that house? 30 grand a year. Insurance? Another 20. Maintenance? 15. Utilities? 10. Car insurance and upkeep? 20. You're burning $85,000 a year just to own the stuff you bought. And you quit your job because you're rich now, right? Add in lifestyle spending, restaurants, travel, entertainment, and you're easily at $200,000 a year. At that pace, your $3 million is gone in 15 years, and that's the best case scenario. But wait, it gets worse, and this is the part that explains why 70% go bankrupt even faster than that. Once your lifestyle upgrades, your brain physically changes. Scientists call it hedonic adaptation. That $2 million house, in 6 months it feels normal. Those luxury cars, normal. So when the money starts running low and you're too proud to downgrade, that's when the desperate decisions happen. Bad investments, gambling, borrowing against assets. Now here's what's fascinating. Remember Jack Whittaker, the contractor who won $315 million? I mentioned I'd show you his fatal mistake. Here it is. Within weeks of winning, he started carrying briefcases full of cash to strip clubs, hundreds of thousands in cash. He was giving away money like it was air. He once left $500,000 in his car overnight, and it got stolen. But that's not even the real mistake. The real mistake was this. He stopped doing what made him a millionaire in the first place. He stopped running his business. He stopped building. He went from creator mode to consumer mode. And that's the pattern with every lottery winner who goes broke. They abandon their systems. Now let me show you what billionaires do differently, because this is the part that'll actually change your life. When Warren Buffett gets $1, he doesn't ask, "What can I buy?" He asks, "How many more dollars can this create?" Same $6 million after taxes from our lottery example, but watch the difference. Modest house, $800,000, not $2 million. Invest $4 million into dividend-paying stocks and real estate, At a conservative 6% return, that's $240,000 per year forever. Keep $1 million in cash for opportunities. Now they're living off $240,000 a year without touching the principal. The money never runs out. In fact, it grows. But here's what's even more powerful, and this is the mindset shift that separates wealth builders from everyone else. Billionaires believe money is renewable. They know they can make it again. That belief changes every single decision. Lottery winners have a scarcity mindset, even with abundance. Their entire life taught them money is rare and temporary. So when they get it, they spend it before it disappears. And here's the psychological trap that gets everyone. Studies show lottery winners are actually less happy 5 years after winning. The money didn't solve their problems, it magnified them. Relationships collapse, everyone wants something, the pressure is insane. Lottery winners feel guilty saying no. Billionaires are experts at saying no. Now here's why this matters to you, and pay attention, because this is the actual actionable part. You don't need to win the lottery for this lesson to change your life. Every bonus, every raise, every tax refund, every windfall, no matter how small, you face the same choice Jack Whittaker faced: consumer or creator. Most people treat extra money like lottery money, something to spend once. They upgrade their lifestyle and lock themselves into higher expenses forever. Wealth builders treat it like a seed. They invest it, they buy assets, they build systems that generate more money. And here's the crazy part. You can actually test this right now with whatever amount you have. Got an extra $500? You have 2 choices. Choice 1, upgrade something. New phone, new clothes, night out. It's gone in a week and you're back to zero. Choice 2, buy 1 share of a dividend-paying stock, or take an online course that teaches a high-income skill, or invest in equipment for a side business. 1 choice depletes, 1 choice compounds. Do that consistently for 5 years and you won't recognize your financial situation. Because here's the truth that nobody wants to hear. Wealth isn't about how much money you have today. It's about who you've become while earning it. The skills, the discipline, the systems, the mindset. Strip away a lottery winner's money and they have nothing. Strip away a billionaire's money and they have everything. The blueprint to rebuild. That's why Donald Trump had 6 corporate bankruptcies and rebuilt every time. That's why Elon Musk could be broke in 2008 and become the richest person alive. That's why 70% of lottery winners go broke. The money was never the point. The system was. So stop waiting for a lucky break. Stop hoping for a windfall that'll solve everything. Start building the skills, systems, and mindset that make wealth inevitable. Because the real difference between lottery winners and billionaires isn't the money. It's never been the money. It's the person. If this video completely shifted how you think about money, smash that like button and subscribe, because I break down wealth psychology like this every week. And drop a comment. If you won $10 million tomorrow, are you consumer mode or creator mode? Be honest. I'll see you in the next one.